The last few days have been filled with leaks for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, and Evan Blass decided to come out of retirement to share a new batch of official-looking renders. The images show a familiar design, in line with previous reports. For the most part, Watch Ultra 2 looks nearly identical to its predecessor, but we can spot slightly thinner display bezels and new bezel markers. The device reveals it will arrive in the same 47mm size and feature sapphire crystal display protection as well as LTE connectivity. Reports suggest a shift to the 3nm Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, promising improved performance. It offers 64GB of storage instead of 32GB. Watch Ultra 2 is expected to get a significant battery boost, with rumors of an 800 mAh battery. Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Watch 9, Galaxy Glasses, Fold 8 and Flip 8 at Galaxy Unpacked next month. The watch has an IP6X rating for dust resistance and 10 ATM for water resistance. It has a 640 mAh battery with wireless fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.